Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Quantum Analyst, which focuses on quantum computing stock investing. In today's video, I am going to dig into the news about Zapata AI and IonQ's strategic alliance in generative AI. I'll share my findings on who Zapata is, Zapata and IonQ's collaboration history, and if this is a big deal for IonQ. Stay tuned. On Tuesday, August 15, 2023, Zapata AI, a software company located in Boston, announced that it has entered a strategic alliance with IonQ. The goal is to benchmark generative AI techniques on quantum hardware to uncover new potential advantages of quantum computing that could help solve complex real-world business problems. According to my understanding of the company's announcement, the two companies will work together to deliver on joint generative AI projects. Additionally, they will also jointly market and sell IonQ's quantum computing services together with Zapata's products to enterprise customers. It's interesting to see, there is no news from IonQ's side. They just reposted Zapata AI's post on the X/Twitter platform. According to Zapata's website, the company was spun out of Harvard in 2017. The company's specialty is using new quantum classical methods in machine learning, optimization and simulation to maximize value from near-term quantum devices. The company has built collaborations with some notable quantum computing hardware companies, such as IonQ, Rigetti, D-Wave, Quantinuum, IBM, and Google. Simply put, Zapata AI is a quantum computing software company. They have built cooperation with almost all the notable quantum computing hardware companies in the market. The company has origins at Harvard University. The company's scientific advisor, Alan Asparuh-Guzik, is a professor of chemistry and computer science at the University of Toronto. Previously, he was a professor at Harvard University for 12 years, where he led and directed a group of PhD students and postdoctoral researchers on quantum-related projects. Among the company's co-founders, 4 out of 5 were from his team at Harvard. According to SEC filings, Zapata has had at least 5 rounds of financing. April 2018, $5.4 million. January 2019, $5 million. April 2019, $22 million. September 2020, $29 million. July 2023, $4.8 million. Per news reports, its investors are mostly venture capital funds from large corporations, such as BASF Venture Capital, Comcast Ventures, Honeywell Venture Capital, Merck Global Health Innovation Fund, and etc. It's notable that in its latest round of funding, which was disclosed in a Form D dated July 7, 2023 on the SEC's filing website, the company offered to raise $20 million, but eventually raised only $4.8 million, which is less than a quarter of the target amount. The filing also indicated 7 investors participated. Zapata has been working with IonQ for years. In December 2020, Zapata announced that by using IonQ's ion trap quantum device, along with Zapata's hybrid quantum classical algorithm, they generated high-resolution images of digits. In March 2022, Zapata announced that, in collaboration with IonQ and 3 universities, they won a Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency (DARPA) award for quantum benchmarking. The multi-year, multi-million-dollar award will help fund the creation of software tools to make hardware-specific resource estimates for quantum computers. Now let's get to the real question: is this a big deal for IonQ? My answer is, it will definitely benefit IonQ, but it's not a big deal for IonQ. It will benefit IonQ, as IonQ's Chief Revenue Officer Rima Alamuddin was quoted in Zapata's news release. IonQ's commercial success is a reflection of the value that our customers attribute to our systems, yet the on-ramp into quantum computing can be challenging. Our partnership with Zapata will remove roadblocks and accelerate quantum adoption. It is not a big deal for IonQ, for a few reasons. First, it won't contribute much to IonQ's top line. As IonQ revealed in its most recent earnings call, its most advanced machines, the AQ35 and AQ64, will cost more than $10 million each. With Zapata's current financial situation, which we can tell from its recent unfulfilled financing, it will not buy IonQ's machines, so it will not help IonQ's revenue. Secondly, even if there is a breakthrough in generative AI, the market will most likely credit the success to the software side, i.e. Zapata. IonQ is a hardware provider, no doubt will get some credits, but generative AI is more of a software application. Thirdly, Zapata is collaborating with all of the notable quantum computing hardware providers, including IonQ's competitors. This is not an exclusive deal. As mentioned at the beginning, Zapata released the news, but IonQ didn't, only retweeted Zapata's post. Zapata called it a strategic alliance, but we didn't see an equivalent statement from IonQ. Overall, from my point of view, it's more like a marketing play from Zapata's side than a big deal for IonQ. Probably, Zapata needs more publicity, IonQ needs more real revenue. That concludes today's video. Please leave any comments or feedback below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated and will help me continue creating content. Thank you.